live Dynamite in Newark, New Jersey.
Yes. AEWTix.com.
And I got a feeling they won't last long, folks. So circle the date for the on sale. Get your tickets and join us.
And now this matchup between 6 of the biggest rising stars, the biggest fan favorites that we have here in AEW, the best friends, Orange Cassidy, taking on the Jurassic Express. Jungle Boy starting out Chuck Taylor. Chuck Taylor from just up the road in Murray, Kentucky. Proud racer. Saw John Morant lead the Grizzlies to victory last night. Courtside.
You're a big shot, man.
No, he did, not me.
Did you wear your mask?
Of course.
Morant's a hell of a ball player.
For sure. And Chuck Taylor, a hell of a wrestler.
And he makes great tennis shoes. Those Chuck Taylor All-Stars are amazing.
Look at that, the arm drag taking down Jungle Boy. Charging in, Jungle Boy escapes through the middle rope. High shot blocked by Jungle Boy. Jungle Boy springing up to his feet. Going over the top.
Great agility, athleticism, drop kick by Jungle Boy Jack Perry. Has never looked better, folks. He's never looked better.
He takes that name because he's such a big fan of Jungle Jim Steele. You can see it a lot in his offense.
Oh, Marco wants the tag.
Sure, it's hometown crowd.
And the locals want it as well. So here comes the biggest little man in AWE, or AEW, and that too.
Yeah, we are in awe of Marco's stunt as he is squaring off with Trent.
You can't get pissed off at somebody for wanting to live their dream, no matter who they are or what they're doing.
He has,
and he's psyched himself off. He's really, what the heck? Just walked to that collar and elbow tie-up, and you have to imagine Trent 1 week removed from that matchup with Jon Moxley on Dynamite, our New Year's edition.
Marco is re-strategizing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's okay, a leaping headlock, a side headlock.
Listen to the channel, let's go Marco.
He's the hometown hero, buddy.
Boots Trent off, back towards center.
Oh, look at that.
There you go, use what you got, kid.
Takes Trent down, but Trent just as quickly takes Marco off his feet.
Marco is such a crowd favorite. Pretty much everywhere we go, that nobody likes to see Marco get physically abused within the spirit of athletic competition. Inside cradle. Go on, look here.
Whoa. And
I tried that one. Threw my back out.
Marco stunt, the fastball, overhand chop. Trent looks nonplussant immediately. Marco tags out to Jungle Boy. Waistlock.
No, inverted atomic drop. And a little tag team action there.
Jungle Boy sweeps out the legs. Now Marco and Jungle Boy. The rip cord out to the splash leg drop combination. Jungle Boy covers. 1, 2. Chuck Taylor there to break it up.
Yeah, best teamwork here is by Jurassic Express.
6-man tag team matchup. Has no clear-cut winner or advantage. We'll find out who when we come back. Our 6-man tag team matchup still in progress.
Chuck Taylor's done the deal. He hit the Falcon Arrow, but Marco's stunt breaks it up.
Marco has had a lot of coffee today, looks like.
And during the break, it was all best friends. Chuck Taylor and Trent just running a clinic.
And that was a desperation clothesline to try to even things up a little bit so Jungle Jack can make a tag. As does it.
And now Luchasaurus, the big man, enters the ring.
This is not what you want to see happen if you're wearing a best friend's letter jacket.
He's just too big and strong and agile.
Best friend's letter jacket available at shopaew.com. Pops him up.
There you go.
Does Luchasaurus and the round kick across the face. Chuck Taylor, though, gets the boot up, knocking Luchasaurus back to the center with a stomp.
This guy's really agile, great flexibility is Luchasaurus. And folks, unless you're near him in person, it's hard to describe how big he really is.
Oh, that tail whip just absolutely levels Trent. And now Orange Cassidy may be seeing his first action of the matchup.
What a pop. Tony, that's a pop.
That's a pop, baby.
It's a Tony Schiavone pop.
Yes, sir, man. There you go. I'm with you, buddy. Some days I don't give a damn either. Stick your hands in your pocket. Watch out.
Oh! Luchasaurus, so highly proficient in martial arts. Oh!
Nice counter, boy. I'll tell
How
you.
about that?
Stun Dog Millionaire by Orange Cassidy, but Jungle Boy makes the blind tag. Goes over the shoulders. Orange Cassidy drop kick. Springs up to his feet.
Oh, here they come.
He's not going to, is he?
Hands in the pockets. He's freshly squeezed.
No pulp.
Is that what that's called, a freshly squeezed?
No pulp.
Got to give the people what they want.
I can see hugging sweaty men is a good thing.
No kick shaming, JR.
No.
Oh! Jungle Boy getting right back into this.
Oh!
Unfortunately for him.
Taylor launching Jungle Boy over the top. Trent answering with the spear. The falling splash. 1, 2. Oh, Marco with the diving foot stomps to break it up.
Did he fall asleep when he was up on the top turnbuckle that
I think he
time?
fell asleep in midair.
I think he did.
And now best friends have Marco stun isolated.
Marco trying to fight out of this predicament.
Pops.
He's like,
Oh!
Marco is like, he's elusive. He's like trying to pour smoke through a keyhole.
Goes over their shoulders of Trent, and now Marco just spikes Trent on the top of his head.
You got to give Marco credit. He knows what he can do. He knows what his limitations are, and he uses those to his ability. He does.
Marco stunt the one-man wrecking crew. Getting up on the shoulders of Luchasaurus. And now Luchasaurus. Oh! The prehistoric press.
I love it.
He threw him down, and here, you have him. You took him for a while.
The rising knee strike stops Jungle Boy dead in his tracks.
Jungle Boy and
Oh, reverse into the cover.
Roll up.
1, 2.
Yeah!
There you go, kid.
What about that? Jungle Boy Jack.
Oh, winners of this match.
Got a 3 count.
Jurassic Express.
Jungle Boy picking up his first victory inside an AEW ring. And the Jurassic Express looking great here in Trios competition tonight.
Well, there you hear it. It was an interesting matchup.
That was interesting and a hotly contested 6-man matchup. The Jurassic